At this time, we're going into proclamations and special presentations, all right? Each year this time we pause to invite special folks who come and as we celebrate Gullah Geechee Week, and we do the proclamation. Queen, if you will come. Oh, let me do this because I know they probably have to go back to work too. Let me pause for just a minute. Let me recognize all our constitutional officers. I walked down and I saw you a long time ago. There's our tax commissioner. I saw, didn't I see our clerk? Oh, there she go. All right. This proclamation, and I'm going to go down because you know I'm going to let you do the talking, all right? Rather than me doing the talking. But this recognizes Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week for 2025. All right. Now, therefore, I, Trustee Ellis, Chairman on behalf of the Chatham County Board of Commissioners, do hereby proclaim July the 26th through August the 2nd as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Chatham County in recognition of the 25th anniversary of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and call upon all the citizens to participate in the celebrate the week in support of the activities happening locally and throughout the region under the theme 25 years of self-determination, celebrating the roots, the legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and witness whereof I have here to set my hand and cause the seal of Chatham County, Georgia, to be affixed this 27th day of June 2025. Let me give you that first, all right? And then let's make sure we get the picture done. So PR don't get on me.
There we go.
Yep.
Thank you.
All right. Also, to let you know how rare this is.
Okay then.
Very seldom do I give folks the key to the county.
All right.
Because I don't want you opening no doors.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can come in, but don't be going in the wrong way.
I ain't broken.
Don't broke
Right
you.
law.
That's right.
There it is.
Good.
Yes, thank you. Hold that. Stay there. Yeah.
All right. Now with that, I'm gonna turn it over to you.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
This right here, but make sure you carry with you.
You know I can count.
Okay.
And it look like a Gullah. I can check them out. I can get them up free as soon as I get out here. So it's such a blessing today. And one more again, thank you to all the commissioners. And you know I have to take just a brief moment of silence for Commissioner Holmes. I say. Every year when I've been coming here, you know, I'm looking for him. Every time I get you, and that seat pit opened a while ago, and I say, oh, I see you over there, cuz. Even the city of your seat before you get your Commissioner Milton, for sure. And so it's a blessing today, and one more again, at the Queen Quet head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and 25 years being the Queen of the Gullah Geechee Nation. So it's a blessing today in Chatham County, because this year the county, I don't know if the council members know, but this year the county where the Gullah Geechee Nation first write a constitution. So we constitution, we give birth to them right here in Chatham County. And I yet everybody will be in here today, on top of everything they're going through for whole Punny land, for whole Punny house, and all of this year. This is one of the things we've been to fight for all these years, before I've been queen, to make sure Gullah Geechees can not only hold funny land in the house and thing, but hold funny family and the culture and the community. And this your place, the one of we cities, this coastal empire. Before we had a nation, this has been the coastal empire. There are plenty of people been to come from the sea islands to come into the city, so they could have get the kid thing for care back or for send back from the island, or what 100 children like for call we out in the country. Like y'all so big city over here, but y'all like for call we out in the country. So they used to send that money back for people who hold upon the land. So I understand all of what these people been to crack your teeth and say. I understand all but the flooding, because you know, Brother Chester, we don't crack we teeth, but dealing with climate change wrong ya. So that ditching thing ain't no work like it used to. They have to make them into bioswales. So we're still glad for work with you for do all of that, because we want this your place for stay above water. But we know right now some people feel below water because all the thing what's going on in the world and not having enough shiny thing for people what they need. But I can tell y'all, it's a blessing when you come forth and speak up and things like that. So plenty of time when people been to Kanye before, y'all have never yet people to crack a teeth like this shit, because they tell we be cracking if we be doing. So a lot of Gullah Geechees speak this way, especially in Chatham County, because people told us never to come into a facility like this, talking like that, because they didn't value our culture and our community, and especially our language that God gave us. But our very name, the word Gullah, means people blessed by God. And it has to be a blessing to still be here in Chatham County after all these centuries, not decades, in spite of everything else that has come and everybody else that has come that y'all talked about. We didn't deal because we been here, and we ain't going nowhere tall. So I appreciate all of you that continue to work to uplift the cultural communities and cultural heritage here in Chatham County, and especially the fact that you celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week every year. And every year I tell y'all the same thing. I can make them cross that bridge, so y'all can make them cross that bridge to get to me. So I can tell y'all again now. And I like to see you, all my elected folks. I love seeing my sisters come celebrate with me today, but y'all need to come across the bridge. And one of the things you want you come across the bridge for, I done gave all of y'all leads, and I have more for people in the community here. I can leave some on the count out there as well. Is the first thing on the back is next week, Friday, 4th of July. Juke Joint Jam. Y'all know what Juke Joint is. Y'all ain't that big city that you're doing. We having that at Penn Center. And you flip it over and you will see Gullah Geechee Family Day, which launches Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. The last Saturday in July, July 26th at noon at the historic Penn Center. And I would love it for each and every one of you to come over and celebrate with us. Get some of that good country food. Y'all want to say we out in the country, we can show you how we do in the country. Come get that food we grow and that we catch from the creek. And then we are going to conclude the week this year also at Penn Center with the first annual Gullah Geechee Books and Brunch. And so you'll have an opportunity to go into the York W. Bailey Museum at Penn Center and share in some good food. And it is such an honor because we try to feed the minds every year. And Dr. Teray is not here with me physically today because he's out feeding some other minds in the community. He just want me to tell y'all he gonna get y'all for changing the date. He thought it was gonna be next month. I said, no sir. They had to do them with my calendar this year. So it's a blessing to be here and to have my sister Marlayo, who many of you know from Two Chefs Gullah Geechee Restaurant here in Savannah, who now has moved that to another platform to serve all these people that are coming through Airbnb every year. So when I come over, we usually go to their restaurant and eat. We're going to go to a different one today to celebrate this honor. But I just want to tell y'all I appreciate the work you're doing, but I pray too that you truly heard all the voices that spoke today, because we all know it's a trying time right now in the world. So we're continuing to pray for all of you as you do this work, praying for Chatham County and praying that this whole world will become more of a blessed, peaceful place. And so as we always say, we be Gullah Geechee anointed people, and we pray that blessing be upon Chatham County some more. And I'm going to be looking for y'all, and I'm going to do a roll call, talking about the agenda. I'm going to do a roll call at Family Day to see how much of Chatham County did cross the bridge. And if y'all act up, I using my key, I can get in. Okay? So I won't be just over there singing a song, we in the front yard. I'm in the front yard with my key. Okay, yes, and I'm Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee. Bless love to all of you. Yes, have a great week. I don't know why you coming back and you getting the key back.